Hello, everybody. My name is Sarah Diamond. I'm a nutritionist, and I work with people to help them feel better with food. And I'm so excited to be here with you today for Tasty Tuesday for Action for Healthy Kids. So I work a lot with something called digestion, which you might know about. It's how food goes from your mouth and then we eliminate it at the end. So it's the whole system of it going down the esophagus, into the stomach, through the small intestine, large intestine, and then you go to the bathroom and let go of what you didn't eat. The whole point of that process is to absorb the nutrients that you need to keep you healthy, to keep you strong, and it's so important that it works well. So within your intestines, which are part of digestion, there are trillions of little bugs that live inside of you, and they're all right in those intestines. They're called bacteria, which you might know. You use hand sanitizer and soap and all of this stuff that we have to kill them, but not all of them are bad. Some of them are bad, and it's really, really good to get rid of those, but some of them are good, and actually without those good ones, you wouldn't be able to survive. So they're pretty important. So today we're going to talk about the ones in the intestines, and basically what these guys do is they help you absorb your food. They keep you, they make sure that you have the nutrition that you need to live a strong, healthy, vibrant life. And without the nutrition that you need, you can't grow big and strong, and also your brain can't get really smart and strong and healthy too. So inside of your intestines, there's an entire army, and they're little guards that line the intestines, and these ones are called epithelial cells, and they make decisions for you about what is safe and what isn't safe. So these are the good guys. These are the good bacteria. We don't want to kill them. When you eat food and intake food, there can sometimes be pathogens and antigens and stuff that can actually make you really sick. And these guys are supposed to be there and make decisions about whether something that you're eating is good or bad. And we want the bad stuff to just go right through you. We don't want it getting into your cells and into your blood and into other parts of your body. So these are the guys that are supposed to do that for you. So if they're not strong enough and they're not smart enough, they are going to let bad guys like pathogens and antigens and even viruses, really nasty stuff, get through the intestinal wall and into your blood. And then then your immune system tries to come and fight it and you get sick. We don't want any of that to happen. We just want these cells to be strong enough so that they can take care of it the first time. That's the ideal. So the main way to make your epithelial cells strong and smart is through your food. It is so, so important that you eat healthy, nutritious, really, really vibrant food. It needs to be food that your great-grandmother would recognize as food. So do you think that she had Smarties laying around, or I don't know, Skittles laying around? She had all of this stuff. She had things that grew on the farm. She had things that grew right in nature. And those are the kinds of foods that your epithelial cells really, really need to survive and to thrive. So just some examples here: fruit and vegetables. Epithelial cells love these. So apples, celery, kale, mango, cucumber, carrots, so important. And you want tons of color when you eat. Color is so important because some nutrients are found in red foods, some nutrients are found in orange foods, some are found in green foods. It's all really important, and it keeps a really, really robust, interesting environment for these cells to live in. They want a variety of interesting, healthy food that they can eat. Some other things that are really, really important for your cells in your intestines are protein. So protein actually becomes amino acids, and then those actually build the wall of the intestine. So those are actually the building blocks of your intestinal wall. So it's really important that those are super strong and aren't just letting things go right through them, because that's what makes you sick. So things like eggs are really, really awesome for protein. Salmon is really good for protein. Chicken, really good meat. Meat that came from a really healthy animal that was treated really well is super important. You can also get protein from nuts. There's some really, really good sources of protein out there, and beans, all of that, so important. And then lastly, really healthy fat is so, so important as well. Things like also nuts are kind of both protein and fat. Also fatty kind of fish like salmon there. Olives, if you like olives, they're kind of a weird food, but if you like them. Good cooking with good oil. So coconut oil is really good. Avocado oil is really good. And there's so many great things that contain healthy fat, and it's so, so important to eat those things. So this is your digestive system, and it's why it's so, so important that you take really good care of it, that you are feeding your epithelial cells well, that you are nourishing your body, that the epithelial cells feel strong and smart, and like they can make the decisions that they need to make for you to stay healthy. So you are going to do amazing. Just think about those cells that are doing so much work for you to keep you healthy and keep you alive and strong and vibrant and living your best life. They are looking out for you, and they are on your team. So happy Tasty Tuesday, and happy Every Kid Healthy Week. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.